Lebanon is confronted with a worsening humanitarian crisis that demands immediate action and long-term solutions. Recent events have displaced over 872,000 individuals within Lebanese and Syrian territories, accompanied by the secondary displacement of more than 85,000 refugees. Tragically, the number of casualties has surpassed 3,003 fatalities and 13,000 injuries, compelling over 473,000 people to seek refuge in Syria. The most pressing humanitarian needs in Lebanon today are safe shelter, essential relief items, healthcare, food, cash assistance, and protection services. In response to the worsening crisis, the humanitarian community has launched an urgent appeal for $425.7 million to provide much-needed assistance to 1 million affected people over the next 3 months. In the spirit of regional unity, the United Arab Emirates initiated a nationwide relief effort entitled "The UAE Stands With You, Lebanon." Through this campaign, the UAE provided $100 million worth of urgent humanitarian aid to the brotherly Lebanese people.
هذا الصندوق يعني الحياة هناك. هو قليل لكن بالنسبة لهناك أسر وعوائل فهو الحياة هو الكثير. ما يعني إن هناك في أمل في ناس تذكرهم وتدعي لهم بالخير وإن شاء الله يتجاوزوا هاي المحنة على خير يا رب العالمين.
The aid included 14 planes loaded with medical and food supplies. Additionally, Sheikha Fatima bint Mubarak presented a special gift to the women of Lebanon in recognition of their resilience in the face of challenging circumstances. The Emirati initiatives serve as a testament to the long-standing fraternal ties between the United Arab Emirates and Lebanon. They reflect the UAE's unwavering commitment to standing with its brothers and sisters in times of crisis. These initiatives are a manifestation of the UAE's humanitarian vision, which emphasizes providing assistance to those in need, regardless of their location.